Spectral indices in ENVI. For this exercise, a Sentinel-2 dataset has been uploaded and a layer stack, incorporating all the spectral bands at the different geometric resolution already created and displayed. Introduction to spectral indices in ENVI 6.0. Spectral indices are powerful tools in remote sensing, allowing users to extract meaningful information from multispectral and hyperspectral data. These indices are mathematical combinations of specific spectral bands designed to highlight features of interest, such as vegetation health, water presence, soil properties, or mineral composition. ENVI 6.0 provides a comprehensive suite of predefined spectral indices and the flexibility to create custom indices for specialized analyses. Key features of spectral indices in ENVI. Predefined indices. ENVI includes an extensive library of spectral indices for vegetation, water, soil, and more. Common examples include NDVI, a normalized difference vegetation index, NDWI, a normalized difference water index, and SAVI, soil-adjusted vegetation index. Automated calculation. The software streamlines the computation of spectral indices, requiring minimal user input. Custom index creation. Users can define their own indices based on specific needs or research goals. Batch processing. ENVI supports the calculation of indices across multiple datasets, making it suitable for large-scale projects. Applications of spectral indices. Spectral indices are widely used in various fields, including agriculture, monitoring crop health and detecting stress. Forestry, assessing forest canopy density and vegetation cover. Water resources, identifying and delineating water bodies or monitoring water quality. Urban studies, mapping impervious surfaces or analyzing urban heat islands. Geology and mining, highlighting mineralogical features and anomalies. Run the Spectral Indices tool. The Spectral Indices tool creates an image that consists of one or more spectral indices, each as a separate band. Follow these steps. From the toolbox, select Band Algebra Spectral Indices. Select an input image. The image must contain wavelength metadata. The Spectral Indices dialog lists the indices that are available to compute, based on the wavelengths of the input raster. See band assignments for details. Select one or more indices to compute, using the Control or Shift key. To write the output to disk, select the File Radio button and specify a file name and location. To produce output in memory only, select the Virtual Radio button. Enable the Preview checkbox to see a preview of the settings before you click OK to process the data. The preview is calculated only on the area in the view and uses the resolution level at which you are viewing the image. See Preview for details on the results. To preview a different area in your image, pan and zoom to the area of interest and re-enable the preview option. Enable the Display Result checkbox to display the output in the view when processing is complete. Otherwise, if the checkbox is disabled, the result can be loaded from the Data Manager. To reuse these task settings in future ENVI sessions, save them to a file. Click the down arrow and select Save Parameter Values, then specify the location and file name to save to. Note that some parameter types, such as rasters, vectors, and ROIs, will not be saved with the file. To apply the Save Task settings, click the down arrow and select Restore Parameter Values, then select the file where you previously stored your settings. To run the process in the background, click the down arrow and select Run Task in the background. If an ENVI server has been set up on the network, the Run Task on Remote ENVI server name is also available. The ENVI server job console will show the progress of the job and will provide a link to display the result when processing is complete. See ENVI servers for more information. Click OK. By default, the first spectral index in the output image is displayed. Open the Data Manager to list and display individual spectral index bands.